What if I told you that time doesn't really flow? That the past, present, and future might all exist at once? That everything you think you know about time is wrong? We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours. We live by the ticking of clocks. But time in physics, especially in Einstein's relativity, is not a river flowing in one direction. It's a dimension, like space. In fact, according to the block universe theory, every moment, your birth, today, the last star's death, is already there. Time doesn't pass, we move through it. Like flipping through the pages of a book. Einstein once wrote, "For us believing physicists, the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubborn illusion." Now let's go deeper. According to special relativity, time is not universal, it's relative. A person traveling near the speed of light experiences time differently than someone standing still. Their clocks run slower. This has been proven by atomic clocks flown on airplanes. So what does that mean? It means that now is not the same for everyone. It means that for a particle moving at light speed, time doesn't exist at all. From its perspective, the universe is over in an instant. That's not science fiction, that's physics. Then comes quantum mechanics, where time behaves strangely. At the quantum level, particles can interact backwards in time. Some equations work the same forward or backward. So why do we experience time in one direction? This brings us to the arrow of time. The idea that time flows because of entropy. Entropy is the measure of disorder. And according to the second law of thermodynamics, entropy always increases. That's why eggs break but don't unbreak. Why memories form but not in reverse. So maybe time doesn't flow. Maybe it's our consciousness moving through a fixed block of events, creating the illusion of past and future. Now think about this. If we could step outside time, would we see the whole universe every moment at once? Would we see your birth, your death, the rise and fall of civilizations as one frozen eternal structure? What if the entire history of the universe is a movie? You're sitting in a theater watching it with a friend. The lights dimmed, the movie starts. You watch as the universe unfolds. Stars ignite, planets form, life evolves, civilizations rise and fall. You see it all from the beginning to the heat death of the universe. But then something strange happens. The projector flickers and suddenly the screen goes blank. What happens next? Your mind can't comprehend it because it violates everything you know about physics, about causality. Things appear and disappear. Events happen out of sequence. The laws of physics seem to break down. What you thought you knew about cause and effect is turned on its head. This is the realm of quantum mechanics. At this subatomic level, particles can pop in and out of existence. They can be here and there at the same time. They can even travel backwards in time. Take a step back. Remember the movie screen went blank? Well, in this quantum world, that blank screen isn't empty. It's filled with possibilities. It's as if every moment of the film is playing out simultaneously. The past, present, and future are no longer a linear progression. They're a tangled web of interconnected moments. It's a view of time that seems to turn everything we know on its head. But here's where things get even stranger. Remember those quantum particles popping in and out of existence? They're not just doing this randomly. They're interacting with each other in ways that we're only just beginning to understand. These interactions create a kind of feedback loop. They influence the particles that emitted them, and those particles, in turn, affect the behavior of the particles that emitted them. And so the cycle continues. It's a cosmic dance of creation and destruction, a never-ending cycle of becoming. So when we look at the universe in this way, it almost seems as if time doesn't flow. Instead, it's as if every moment exists all at once. The past is here, the future is now. It's a concept that challenges our intuition, our understanding of cause and effect. It suggests that the universe operates on rules that are far more complex, far more interconnected than we ever imagined. If you've ever felt lost in time, overwhelmed by the relentless march of seconds, minutes, and hours, take heart. You're not alone. The nature of time itself is a mystery that has baffled philosophers and scientists for centuries. But perhaps the answer lies not in the ticking of our clocks, but in the silent language of the universe. If we can learn to listen to the music of the spheres, to the symphony of subatomic particles, we may unlock the secrets of time and discover that the past, present, and future are not separate moments, but a timeless unity.